Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So today would be no makeup video. Today would be video for my birthday glow up. I'll be doing my facial so that I can all be glowy and hydrated on my birthday. I'll be trying a new facial kit. It's from brand Qrraa. I've never tried this brand, never tried anything from this brand. I just saw it kept in my vanity. I don't even remember when I ordered it, and it's their Haldi Chandan facial kit. I just hope it do not give me any reaction. Do not do what I am doing. Do not apply anything new on your face without trying it beforehand. Before any special day. So although I do not have to do anything much on my birthday, but still I don't want to ruin my face on my birthday. And this is how it looks. So let's start. Let's open it. It says, like, I don't know how long ago I ordered it, but it has not expired. Okay, its expiry date is 3 years from the manufacturing date, and it was made in May 2024. So it still has one more year to go, but let's try it. So okay, it comes in these 5 pouches. It's cleanser, it's scrub, massage cream, and pack and serum. So let's try. First, I'll be using the cleanser. I'll be applying cleanser over here, but I'll go to washroom to wash it for sure. I won't make mess over here. I have water to clean the cleanser. Okay, look how it looks. It's yellowish in color. It looks like moisturizer. And happy Vaisakhi, guys. Yes, it's Vaisakhi today. Tomorrow is my birthday. And by the time this video would be uploaded, my birthday would have been gone, most probably. Depends on when I'm uploading the video. Let's cleanse. Just massaging the cleanser nicely to clean everything. I'm going to wash my face, then I'll be back. So I washed my face. I don't know how strong this cleanser is, because see, as you can see, it has not even removed my tikka. Little bit of tikka is still over there, and my normal cleansers generally do remove my tikka. So I don't, and I forgot to do something. So before moving further with my facial, I'll be trimming my upper lips, because I have stopped doing waxing, like applying wax or threads on my upper lips, because I can't tolerate the pain of thread, and wax have started to burn my face. So any type of wax I use. So I'll be just trimming. For trimmer, I am using Bombay. It's from Bombay Shaving Company. Though trimming, though trimming and shavings are easy, but only downside about trimming or shaving is that hair growth comes back too soon. I know it's a myth that it comes back thick or darker. There's nothing like that. I have been personally doing like trimming my upper lips from like past 6 to 7 months. I guess more than that, from last July, August, and also shaving my underarms from since same that time, because even wax was darkening my underarms and peeling the skin. So I stopped using wax on my underarms and on my face. And with that, I do dermaplaning on my face every 2 weeks. So it's just a myth. I've never seen a hard or different hair growth on my upper, like on my face or on my underarms. Okay, so now let's move on to second step. Second step is scrub. Again, same thing. Applying scrub in front of you guys, then I'll go into washroom and wash my face. It is so tiring and hectic. But I guess I need to walk a bit. So let's apply our scrub. This is how the scrub looks. Same color and almost same consistency. It does look like a cream. I don't know how good it would work even. Just applying with little bit of water, and let's, yeah, it has a bit of grainy texture as every scrub. Now let's massage. Reason why I'm not taking it to my neck, because I've already scrubbed my neck today and I don't want to overdo it because I don't want any rashes or dryness or on any part of my body. So let's only focus on face, because I did not scrub my face today because I knew I'll be doing facial, so I did not use any scrub today. And in maximum facial kits, they do give you scrub, so I did not use any scrub. Applying it in circular motion on my nose also. Since I've got nose piercing, it has been so tough to apply things near it. I tried to remove it, but I can't, and I don't want to hurt myself. So I'll be keeping this same nose piercing only. Sorry, nose pin only. They are not so strong. See, it's not even moving my tikka again. Let's see after wash how would it look. Now I'll wash it and I'll be back. So finally our face has been scrubbed also. You can see like there's not much difference, but tikka has also been moved. A little bit of just tint is left, which means the scrub was also not even that strong. So let's move further. So third step is massage cream, and it says wash your face with lukewarm water, which I've already done because I went to remove the scrub. Apply it all over your face and neck. I would leave my neck. I don't want to do it in my neck. Then moisten your hands with water. I have water with me by my side. Massage it for 10 to 5 minutes uh, using upward and outward strokes. Leave it for 10-15 minutes and remove with damp cloth. Let's do that. Again, same color, same texture as cleanser. I hope everything is different in them. Pata chale, I'm applying same things again and again on my face. So let's apply it all over our face. Let's first only apply, then I'll moisten my hands. Moistened my hands. Circular motions, outwards, upwards, outwards, upwards, outwards. Thank God I did not wash my hair today, and that I'll be washing it tomorrow. I have massaged it for 5 minutes. Now let's leave it for 10 minutes. I can't leave it more for more than that. I get tired easily. Yes, side effects of being in your 30s. Our generation do get tired easily. The only reason I am excited for my birthday is because my daughter loves celebrating her birthday with us, like with my husband or with me. So main thing is she gets very excited. So that's the only reason I'm excited. She like loves making card for us, loves going out with us, love cutting cake with us. So that's the only reason I get excited. And honestly, I love celebrating my special days with her. Thank God for removing this. I don't have to run to washroom again because it is written remove it with damp cloth, and I have water by my side. So I'll be doing that only. Waiting for time to complete. Honestly speaking, I don't think so. This facial kit would make much difference on my skin as far as I'm experiencing. So as far as I'm experiencing, and it's not about being cheap, but it's like about seeing no much difference. I have used reasonable kits before also. Let's see, MRP of this kit is rupees 120. So if it works for you, it's good. For me, I'm not seeing much difference, I guess. Time to remove. I have a cloth, I'll damp it and remove it in front of you guys. So this is how my face looks after massage cream. It does feel a little bit of moisturized. Nothing crazy, no shine, nothing. You can see. So now for the second last step, you can even say this is a last step because fifth step is serum, but I'll be applying just for seeing the difference. And second last step is pack. I just have to apply it and leave it until and unless it's completely dried. Then I have to wash it off again. I have to run to the washroom then. So let's apply. It says apply generous amount, and I don't think so. There would be generous amount in this. No, Kaka. Now bye. Now let's apply our pack. Same color, though it's the only difference is it's a bit thick in texture. This is the amount we get. I hope it's enough for covering my face. Though it's written apply generous amount on your face and neck, avoiding your eye area, leave it till it dries, and then wash it off. So I just hope it's enough for my face itself. I have applied all over my face. It was enough for my face, but I don't think so. It would have gone like I would be able to stretch it till my neck if I want to apply a generous amount because only this much has been left. So now let's wait for it to dry. Applying, I don't know why after applying this, I'm feeling little bit of itchiness or burning over here. Only in this area. I just hope it does not like leave any marks on my face or redness on my face. I don't want to remove, like I don't want to ruin my birthday. Let's wait for it to dry. If it starts burning or itching too much, I would remove it. That's the reason I don't get my face bleached because it itch me a lot. Now it has started over here also. Let's wait. I hope it won't ruin my face. So it has dried. Thank God it's not burning or itching much, just near these areas. That's it. So I'm just going to wash it. Then I'll be back to show you the result and then we'll apply the last step, that's serum. So let's just wash it off. It's really tough to wash it off as you can see. So I have decided to remove it with the damp cloth. This is how my face looks after the pack. I can see little bit of brightening, nothing crazy. So now let's apply the last step, that is serum. Here is the serum. Here how's the serum look. I'll take this one to my neck. Now let's apply. Even it is bit yellowish in color and it has gold part like golden shimmer in it. At least for serum there has been generous amount. Massaging it nicely into my skin. And this is how my face looks now. Even after serum, there's not that much glow if you can see. But yeah, all in all, the review is that it's cheap. So I like it was very reasonable. It was for 120 rupees. So it did what it did. Gave a big glow, cleansed my face. Though cleanser was not so strong, scrub was not so strong, but still, like if you want to try, you can try, but at your own risk. I took the risk today. Thank God it did not left any marks or did not react to my skin. So yeah, I just hope later on it won't show any reaction. Right now my skin is looking like this, as you can see it on the screen. I did everything in front of you guys, whole facial. So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. So bye.